Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different types of applicator or the brushes we use for applying foundation. So for the tutorial, I'm using the foundation by MAC. I have taken some on my hand. So first, I'm going to show you the flat brush. So the shape is flat, so that is why it's a flat brush. And the plus tip here I'm going to give you is dampen your brush a bit, so it will make sure the foundation application is easier. So let's get started. So flat brush is suggested for all types of skin, especially those ladies who have facial hair, so they can use it in a better way, because if you apply the foundation towards or in the direction of your facial hair, this will make sure it will hide the facial hair. And to start with, you need to start from the center and take it outwards, and usually in the direction of the facial hair. So this will make sure the facial hair is covered, and if you have blemishes, then just dab it, so it will make sure that blemish is hidden. And the good part about the flat brush is, because of this tip, we can cover the under eye area as well, so this will make sure you hide the dark circles. So this is how the flat brush is usually used. It's soft and gives a good coverage without any stroke or something left at the end, so it gives you a smooth coverage. So this is suggested for all types of skin. Second is my personal favorite. So this is teardrop shaped sponge, and this is suggested to all types of skin, especially those who have sensitive skin, because this is very smooth on skin, and also it gives a very good smooth and airbrushed look. So what you need to do is, you need to dip it in water, squeeze it, let it absorb water, and squeeze out the extra water. This is done because when the sponge, the pores of this sponge absorbs water, they make sure that there is no much wastage of the foundation. Also, there is no friction. So because of the friction, it tend to harm your skin. So when it's damp, it's not going to do that, and also the foundation application is easier. So now I have dampened the sponge. I'm taking the foundation. I'm just going to dab it. So the best part here is, it doesn't make you look cakey. It just gives you a natural skin look. So the foundation is light and it gives you a natural airbrushed smooth look. So I personally prefer this one for applying foundation. Also, the tip, make sure you cover the under eye area as well. Since it's very smooth on your face, even if you have pimples or blemishes or your skin is very sensitive, you can use this applicator. Third one is the silicone brush. The good part about silicone brush is there is no product wastage as such, and the cleaning is easy. There is no tension about any bacterial growth or something. So this is quite hygienic and doesn't waste the product, so it's quite pocket friendly as well. So let's see, it's quite soft, as you can see. So let me just show you how to use it. So I have taken foundation on this. So you just need to dab it, but I must tell you, you need to dab a lot. Maybe first layer of foundation looks natural and good, but if you are someone who prefers to layer up your foundation, this might make you look cakey. So this is how you use silicone brush. So as you can see, there is no much wastage as such, but usually in the sponge or in the foundation there is a little bit of product left. Next is the flat top brush. So I'm going to dampen a bit. Taken the foundation. For this, you need to go with the circular strokes like this. Even though it gives good coverage and it covers the blemishes, covering up the under eye area is slightly difficult with this brush. As you can see, I am not able to reach the corner, so in this case you will have to use your fingers to blend in the foundation over here. And this brush I don't really suggest it for those who have dry skin, because with the dry skin they already have these flakes, and because of the circular motion those flakes are highlighted by the foundation, so it doesn't really look nice. But for dry skin, as I said, help in a better way. So this is not really for ladies with dry skin. Then is the oval brush. I have just dampened it a bit. Taken the foundation. This is again just like the flat brush. So this will go with the strokes like this, the circular stroke. Good part is you can reach the corner over here, and the handle or the grip which it has got, make sure you have a good grip and it makes the application quite easier. Highlights the dry flakes, so that is why this is not really suggested for dry skin. So yeah, these were the 5 applicator or the brushes which I have, which can be used to apply foundation. So I hope you like this video and find it useful, and if you have any queries or you want me to make any particular video, please leave a comment. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it. Also like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.